Hey guys, try this. One drop, cis-3 hexenol. One drop. One drop, bergamot. It's important to start with the cis-3 hexenol first. It's a very strong, sharp material, so make sure you put it down on your testing strip first. Cis-3 hexenol, bergamot essential oil. Next, some benzoin, one drop. Next, one drop, timbersilk. Next, 2 drops, black pepper, or 1. Mine's a little bit old, so I'm going to put on 2. Finally, 1 drop, patchouli oil, or if, like me, if you prefer patchouli fractions, use patchouli fractions. Now, you'll notice that the sweeter elements, the benzoin and the patchouli, makes a clash. It clashes with the very tight, the very green and sharp cis-3 hexenol. And then you have the middle timbersilk, the woods in the middle, which helps smooth this out. Basically, if you wait a minute and you smell this, it's very similar to, not exactly the same, of course not, but it's very similar to a very famous perfume called Interlude For Men by Amouage. And the basis of this perfume is several different kinds of spices and woods and warm elements, and they clash and run up against the top oregano notes, perhaps a little bit of petitgrain in there, and the bitter green elements. So Interlude For Men by Amouage does an excellent job at crafting a very fine perfume that's actually loaded with natural materials. And it's a very interesting trick you can try at home. So again, in Amouage, in the perfume, the original, it's got the use of oregano. I don't have oregano here, but I used a similar smelling, dry, bitter, green element, which in this case today was cis-3 hexenol. You can also use galbanum. And this runs up against the warmer incense, sweeter elements. So give it a try at home. Patchouli fractions, black pepper, timbersilk. The green element here, the cis-3 hexenol, you can also use galbanum or other sharp green materials. Some benzoin and some bergamot. Put these together and you'll have something that smells very similar to Interlude For Men by Amouage.